Hello to all of the students. Students, today let us see Barton reaction from organic chemistry. This Barton reaction, which is actually photochemical reaction, which passes through the process of photolysis of a nitrite to form delta nitroso alcohol. That means when product is formed, there is formation of alcoholic, that is OH group, at the terminal nitrogen in the structure. During the formation of product, firstly homolytic fission takes place. You know the homolytic fission, a cleavage of bond in such a way that both the bonding electrons are shared equally by the atoms which was bonded with each other. Here RONO bond, actually that is nitrogen oxygen bond, undergo homolytic fission. Which bond? This one. This nitrogen oxygen bond undergo homolytic fission in such a way that the two electrons of bond are equally shared by nitrogen and oxygen. That means nitrogen and oxygen, after breaking of bond, carry one electron to form free radical. After that, the abstraction of delta hydrogen takes place to form the product. In this reaction, you can see that the abstraction of hydrogen, that is delta hydrogen, is one of the most important step for the completion of the reaction. This Barton reaction actually commences with a photochemically induced cleavage of nitrite, that is NO bond. This gives rise, or this produces, alkyoxyl radical which abstract hydrogen atom from delta carbon. That means this is the step in which delta hydrogen is abstracted by alkyoxyl radical. Then the resultant nitroso compound undergo tautomerization to form the product. Actually, photolysis is a process of decomposition or separation of molecules by the action or absorption of light. This Barton reaction takes place by the process of this photolysis. Now let us see how the reaction is carried out, or the mechanism of the reaction is carried out. During this mechanism, firstly I told you, this nitrogen oxygen bond breaks homolytically. NO free radically generated, and one electron will be present on oxygen and one electron on nitrogen after cleavage of nitrogen oxygen bond by homolytically. After that, one of the delta hydrogen which is bonded with delta carbon, this is actually the delta carbon, that hydrogen which is bonded with the delta carbon is known as delta hydrogen. This delta hydrogen is abstracted by oxygen. That means this oxygen which carry one electron. Now what, let us see what is the next step. This carbon hydrogen bond breaks down again homolytically, and this hydrogen with one electron get bonded with oxygen to form OH bond. In such a way, this OH bond is formed and one electron is present on this carbon, that is delta carbon atom. Now this NO free radical with one electron shares its one electron with delta carbon atom with one electron, and this NO get bonded with delta carbon atom. In such a way, NO free radical get bonded with delta carbon which carry one electron. By sharing these electrons with each other, nitrogen of NO make a bond with delta carbon atom. At the last, you can see that one of the delta hydrogen is also present now at delta carbon position. This hydrogen get transferred to oxygen, and that oxygen get converted into OH, and this nitrogen carbon bond it get converted into double bond. In such a way, there is formation of OH group at the nitrogen. This is delta nitroso alcohol. In such a way, in Barton reaction, the nitrite get converted into delta nitroso alcohol